and welcome to my very first vlog. If you're passionate about beauty, skincare, and entrepreneurship, you're in the right place. I am Ms. Ram, and for today, we'll be going on to my world, into my journey wherein science meets beauty and innovation. So for those of you who do not know me yet, I am Ms. Ram Dagdag, the owner and founder of ZY Shop Worldwide Company, or ZY Bioscience Court, or simply ZY Shop. You can search us on Facebook, TikTok, Google, or go on to our website, which is zyshop.net, and learn more about me on that platforms. My passion is helping people to start their own business and fulfill their potential, because I always believe that each one of us has the potential to become a successful entrepreneur. So way back 2014, I started out a business not only for me and my family, but also to help other people fulfill their potential, start their own business. And of course, naniniwala kasi ako na each one of us, guys, we all have a potential to become a successful entrepreneur. It's just that we need a guide. We need guidance. I'm not saying that I can guide you totally on that roadmap, but then I will try my very best na i-guide ka pagdating dun sa journey mo sa pagsisimula ng business. Because I always believe na madaling magsimula ng negosyo, pero sobrang hirap maging isang negosyante. So dito sa ZY Bioscience Corp, my goal is to help you start your own brand, fulfill your potential, know your vision, know your mission, and starting out a brand. Kasi hindi lang ito yung nakikitrend tayo palagi. Marami kasing nagsasabi, gusto ko mag-start ng own brand ko kasi trending. No, mga mare, kapag magsimula ka ng own brand mo and you want to have a solid foundation ng brand na sisimulan mo, you must know first, ano ba yung skincare problem na gusto mong bigyan ng solusyon? And from that end, we have to conceptualize the overall brand na gusto mong gawin. So what exactly is Ms. Ram Skincare Formulation and ZY Bioscience Corp is doing right now? So it is more than just a brand, actually, guys. It is more than just a manufacturing company. It is more than just a business consultation. It is more than just a formulation. Yes, I do those formulations and those brand na meron kami, no? And that is our specialty, actually. But then, I know exactly how it is to start up a brand, tapos hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin mo next, magpapamanufacture ka, and then the next phase, anong gagawin mo. Here in ZY Bioscience Corp, I created here a business model wherein you manufacture, or you have us manufacture your product, and then we also have here the consultation phase, the manufacturing phase, the branding phase. We're in the branding phase, pag-uusapan na natin doon yung marketing planning. So, meron din siyang marketing assistance. So, it is not just you starting up a brand na magpapamanufacture ka sa amin, magpapaformulate ka ng product sa amin. No, hindi humihinto doon sa manufacturing phase. But then, we have here the branding phase, the delivery, the drop shipping system, the business model, the distribution, and all. Yes, mga mare, one-stop shop na. Yun yung concept ko wherein I wanted people to start their brand with us, and then kami na rin yung bahala sa marketing mo. Diba? So, yun yung kagandahan sa aming mga gold and elite packages na ino-offer. Kasi, pati Facebook mo kami yung gagawa, TikTok account mo, content planning mo, marketing mo, even looking for resellers of the brand that you are going to start with. That is actually our stepping stone. That is actually our extra mile, extra services that will be provided to the client. FYI, walang additional service charges yon. Lahat yon is part ng ating Gold and Elite rebranding packages. Para yung mga mag-start ng brand, hindi na sila mahihirapan sa pag-conceptualize kung paano nila i-build up. Siyempre, no? Alam naman nating lahat, guys, na sobrang dami ng competition sa industry ngayon. The question is, how are you going to make that unique selling proposition of that brand stand out? At ang hirap nun kung gagawin mo yun alone as a business owner. That is the reason why I added up extra services, extra advantage, extra benefits para sa aming mga business startup, para sa aming mga business owner. That is overall the concept of Ms. Ram Skincare Formulation, or ZY Bioscience Corp. It is not just you consulting me about the formulation that you wanted to have when it comes with your skincare, but overall, the business model, the branding, of your brand or for your business na sisimulan. Our goal is, of course, to provide professional grade skincare not just here in the Philippines, but also we are targeting the ASEAN and European market that will bring honor and pride here in the Philippines. And yes, we are providing opportunities for those who wanted to start their own brand through rebranding and private labeling services that we offer. All you have to do is to drop a message directly on our social media accounts such as Facebook, TikTok, or you can email us directly at support@cwayshop.net or cwayshop.official@gmail.com. You can also visit our website at cwayshop.net. And of course, this vlog is not just about skincare. It's about empowerment, business, knowledge, and growth. In the upcoming episode, of course, we'll be talking more about skincare, business, and how we are going to launch our brand, and so on. Syempre, mga mare, sobrang dami ng prepare ko na vlog contents para sa inyo, lalo na dun sa mga gustong magsimula ng sarili nilang brand, no? Again, mga mare, isa lang ang lagi kong tatanungin sa'yo kapag naka one-on-one Zoom meeting kita. Ano ang skincare problem na gusto mong isolve? Because this one is very important and the foundation of the brand that we are going to start with. Kasi as a CEO, I want you to have your heart in your brand so that mas madali natin na nurture ang brand. Yan, lagi niyong tatandaan, para yung puno, no? Para yung buto na itatanim natin. And in order for it to grow and nurture, kailangan we have our heart habang dinidiligan natin yung ating buto para mas lumago siya. Ganon din sa negosyo, mga mare. Ganon din sa brand. Kaya no, sobrang halaga para sa akin na yung mga business owners natin, mga brand owners natin, they have their heart doon sa brand na sisimulan natin, no? So that it will be easier for the both of us because I am not just your manufacturer, I am not just your consultant, your formulator, but I am your business partner in your brand na sisimulan mo. And I am looking forward for you to start your own brand. So, see ya on your next vlog. Again, see ya!